Sorry. Hey guys, I'm back again. It's the hay fever season, so that's probably why I came back. Anyway. I don't know why I'm doing this, basically, because I have to sneeze. And I know I've been sneezing a lot. I don't know. Yeah. I sneeze already. Don't sneeze. Weird. It's two. Don't sneeze as well. I'm doing good. Let's see how long I can make it. Two again. I'm surprised I never do this. It's 4 times in a row. Two times again. This was some kind of record. I haven't done that before. I'm sneezing today. Anyway, stay tuned for my next video. Bye.